This is a video that records my tribute to a very distinguished Sikh scientist who was also the president of the Takht Harimandir Sahib of Patna Sahib in India, Professor Dr. Kartar Singh Bawa, on his 75th birth anniversary. Here you see him with Dr. C.V. Raman, who was a Nobel laureate in physics. Doctor Bawa was a descendant of the third Sikh Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, and he was son of Bawa Jeevan Singh of the Indian Medical Service, and he was working at Rangoon in Burma, where the young Bawa had his early education. From 1904 to 6, he worked at the University of Cambridge, where he obtained tripos with distinction. And he worked in the area of stereochemistry in UK and also in France. Subsequently, he was given the DSc degree in 1921 by the University of Ireland, also by the University of Cambridge in London in 1941. He published most of his work in the form of 480 research publications in very prestigious journals such as Nature, Journal of Chemical Society of England, Journal of Indian Chemical Society, Proceedings of the Indian Academy of Sciences, and he also published a joint research monograph giving details of his work. Mainly his work was focused on the optical activity studies of asymmetric compounds and the relation with structure by the use of ultraviolet spectroscopy, and then he used this information to determine the laws of optical rotation. The rotation of plane polarized light by sugars and some other solutions produces two different types of effects. Either the plane of polarization of light is rotated clockwise or to the left and is called levorotatory, or it moves clockwise and is called dextrorotatory. The angle of rotation of the plane of vibration of light is related to the temperature of the solution, its density, and the wavelength of the light which is incident upon it. His research focus was on the optical activity of aminocamphors, which are industrial applications in oils, then in azo-dyes, which are used for textiles and leather. He also worked on food items and thermoplastics, then carboxylic and tartaric acids, and on some pharmaceuticals like thalidomide and ibuprofen. The ultraviolet absorption spectra which he was studying in optically active chemicals gives us information of their optical activity. The intensity of light through a solution is compared with the incident light radiation, and the ultraviolet absorption maxima which are observed as a consequence in this spectrum, they give us the relationship of the rotation with the structure. Now this has helped him to make new laws of the relationship. Other work which he did using the ultraviolet spectral studies concerns the deoxybenzoin condensation process with aromatic aldehydes, sucrose double viscosity method studies, then the studies of fruits, kernels of palm, seed fats, oils, fatty acids, and glycerides. These were studies which he carried out for the first time using the UV spectroscope. He worked at different places during his long professional career as the professor and head of chemistry, and he was also selected for the Indian Education Service IES, which was considered to be very prestigious service at that time. From 1910 he started with the Government College at Dhaka, then he went from there to Lahore, and then from Lahore to Ravenshaw College, Cuttack. Then again he shifted to Patna University, then Allahabad University, and then Punjab University. Finally, he retired from the Banaras Hindu University (BHU) in 1960, and till June 1960 he worked as a professor emeritus at Punjab University, Chandigarh, and he expired on the 16th of June 1960 at Chandigarh. He got a lot of recognition and several honors for his good academic work and the research which he did. He was made a member of the panel for the nomination of Nobel Prizes to candidates in chemistry. During this time, he was president of the Indian Science Congress, the founder fellow of the Indian Chemical Society, and was elected fellow of the Institute of Chemistry of Great Britain and Ireland. Also, he was president of the National Institute of Sciences of India and the secretary of the National Academy of Sciences of India. This is a humble tribute to Dr. Kartar Singh Bawa, this distinguished Sikh scientist from India with a lot of recognition and honor which he got worldwide. Thank you.